Audio Jungle.
Welcome to Crypto Victoria community. Today I come with an awesome project. Before starting the review of this amazing platform, I would request you to please like and subscribe my channel. Also hit the bell icon for further upcoming video notification. So let's start review now. Welcome to Sophie Sustainable Blockchain with Poo Mining. Guys, this is very awesome and unique project. You have to must join this amazing platform and you can earn a lot of more by investing little between in this amazing platform. So what is the Sophie crypto? It is the introduction of this is the true wealth in sustainable crypto solution. Here you can see this is the Sophie. This launch on solar federal energy is the more just than a blockchain. We are revolutionary force transforming the crypto mining industry. Our decentralized eco-friendly approach set as apart, fostering a sustainable future for all. So here is the proof of energy mining approach is basically a game changer in the crypto industry. Unlike traditional methods which favor large power hungry machines, so Poo focuses on energy efficiency. This level the playing field, giving smaller miners a fair chance at rewards. With Poo, we prioritized fairness and sustainability, ensuring that everyone benefits equally while minimizing energy composition. So, our commitment is to simplicity and accessibility, make Poo inclusive, fair, all the participants on Sophie blockchain. What is our mission? What is our vision? Our vision is to lead the crypto industry towards a sustainable future, and our aim to revolutionize mining practices by integrating solar energy and promoting environmental responsibility. So this is our mission is to foster fairness, accessibility, and transparency in the blockchain ecosystem, empowering individuals and business to contribute to change world. So this is the roadmap of this amazing platform. Here you can get all past and future development of about this amazing project. This is the testing and exploration phase. Here you can see there is the being initial testing of blockchain and solar doom operation, and also explore potential DeFi integrations and partnership for post launch phase. This is the post launch phase, first phase, and prepare for the official launch of Sophie project. And in the end of the Q20 2025, it is optimization and final preparation, in which we conduct through testing and optimization of blockchain, also solar doom, also finalize partnerships and collaboration for post launch expansion. So here is also the plan for official launch event and announce project to the public, and Q1 to Q20 2024 pre-sale campaign, also platform establishment and conduct pre-sale campaign and attract initial investors. So establish software platform and infrastructure for pre-sale, initiate blockchain planning and architect development. So this is the roadmap of this amazing project. These are the officially partners of this platform, which is the Pink Sale, that is the decentralized launchpad platform for fair and transparent token sales, ensuring community trust and security in crypto projects. Dex View also our partners, and Coin Market Cap, and it is listed on these famous websites. This is the our active founders. Here is the Alexander Feder, which is our founder and CEO, and they are our development team, management team, marketing team, all are doing very hard work to promoting this amazing platform. And here is the questions if you have to ask anything about this amazing platform. So here is the officially launch on Pink Sale. Here you can see their pre-sales and before after the 9 hours introducing to the Sophie pre-sale future of sustainable blockchain mining with Sophie revolutionary proof of energy mechanism. Join us in reshaping the crypto industry with eco-friendly practice and cutting-edge technology. So each and everything I have already explained. This is the official token address of this amazing platform. What is the name of this Sophie and what is a sample of token? Here you can see their total supply of the token, pre-sale start, pre-sale, and here, and you can also see their initial market cap, hard cap, and you can get all information about this amazing platform on Fairpink sale platform. How you have to buy this? You have to simply connect your wallet. If you have MetaMask, Trust, or any other wallet, you have to simply connect this and you can buy this amazing token and you can earn lot of more in future. This is the famous website of the coin market cap. Here you can see it is listed on it and you can get more profits by buying this, and this is the basically on Solana ecosystem. Here you can see, and this is the Dex view. This is also a famous website, so exchange website. Here you can see it is also listed on Dex view, and here is the Sophie white paper. Here is the almost 27 pages white paper of this platform. I have already downloaded it. You have to download, and if you have to any info question and you have to any query question, you have to get all information about in their white paper. So this is the white paper of Sophie blockchain. There is the all table of content present, which is about their abstract brief summary, key objectives, also the introduction, problem statements, solution architect, blockchain integration, economic feed, economic model, also user engagement, community building, environmental impact assessment also here, and regulatory complaints. Here is also security measures, challenges and risk factor, also the future roadmap and their conclusion, appendix and reference. Each and everything is present. This is the abstract and brief summary of the Sophie. Here you can see there the key objects, which is the environmental sustainability, technological innovation, solar dome and historical commitment, economical model and also the community management. These are the basic objective of this project, and this is the introduction which I have already described, and you can download this paper and you can get all information about this amazing project. So here is the Sophie overview. You can see their project goals, project objectives, which is the environmental sustainability, decentralization, security, community involvement and education. Here is the also implement solar integration, identity and address mining challenges and establish a fair economic problem model. So here is the problem statements which is described there, and these all are the problems challenges in traditional crypto mining landscape, which is the strain power skids, high energy use in conventional mining, centralized mining operation poses centralization risk, growing demands for blockchain technologies. So environmental impact, energy consumption, also centralization risk and the scalability and network congestions. And here is the also environmental impact of conventional mining operation and also the solution architects. Here you can see their decentralized mining architecture of Sophie. Here is the traditional mining and also Sophie mining. You can see there the difference between them, and here is the basically of the blockchain integration, role of blockchain in sustainable mining. You can see the role of blockchain in sustainable mining Sophie project as I have described all of about this. So this is the Sophie smart contracts And here is the Sophie data security and integrity. This is the economic model. The economic model which describe about total token supply, token distribution, mining rewards, team and advisors, ecosystem development, also their token utility and burning mechanism, vesting period. And this is the Sophit economics distribution. Initial token sale 20%, mining rewards 40%, team and advisor 15%, and ecosystem development 15%, and undissolved or reserved 3%, and transaction fee burning is 12%. And here is the user participations and their rewards, and this is the user engagement and community building. This is the cultivating knowledge and community in Sophie mining, and these are the governance features of the Sophie platform. This is the environmental impact assessment, carbon footprint reduction, and also comparative environmental analysis. So this is the solar panel cost are 3% of what they are in 1989, and also the regulatory complaints. And this is the security measures and data privacy and confidence, and these are the challenges and risk factors which may include technical challenges, adoption barriers, market economic risk, and also about the future roadmap. And here is the roadmap of this amazing platform, and this is the total our the result. And these are the all social media's account of the Sophie blockchain. This is the YouTube channel, and this is the official Telegram account. You have to follow this for upcoming news and information about the environmental blockchain Sophie. So you have to must follow this. This is the official Telegram account of the Sophie. You have to also join this for getting all upcoming news and information about this project. So I recommend you to please invite your family and friend about on this amazing platform, and you have to must buy this. See you in next video. Thanks for watching.